Tired of manually posting every pin to Instagram? Link your accounts in 60 seconds and automate your cross-platform growth. I will walk you through the exact steps to connect Instagram to Pinterest, from opening settings to authorizing access. So let us get started. Open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you do not have it handy, just go ahead and pull it up now. We will be working from the home screen. Next, find your profile. Tap on your profile icon. It's usually that little silhouette in the bottom right corner. That will take you to your personal page. Then go to Settings. You will see a gear icon in the top right of your profile page. Tap that. That opens up all of your account options. Now, look for the linking option. Scroll down a little bit until you see something that says Link to Pinterest. It is usually right under Account Management or a similar section. Tap on it. Now scroll to find Instagram. On this screen, you will see a list of social media accounts you can link. Find Instagram. It should be pretty obvious with the camera icon next to it. Before you click anything, read the details carefully. Pinterest will show you exactly what linking does. It will let you save pins directly from Instagram posts and stories. It also makes it easier for people to find you on Pinterest when they see your content on Instagram. Make sure you are comfortable with that information. Now, click the Link button. It is usually a blue button that says Link or Connect. Tap it. If prompted, log in. A new window will pop up asking for your Instagram login. Go ahead and enter your username and password. This is the same login you use for the Instagram app. Approve the permissions. After you log in, Instagram will ask if you want to allow Pinterest to access your account. It will list things like reading your profile info and seeing your posts. This is standard for any app connection. Tap Authorize or Allow. Finalize the connection. Once you authorize, it will send you back to Pinterest. You might see a brief loading screen. Give it a second. Then you should see a confirmation message that says your accounts are linked. Check that it is linked. Go back to your Pinterest settings and look for the Instagram section again. It should now say Connected instead of Link. That is your confirmation. Try a test pin. Now for the fun part. Open an Instagram post. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. You should now see a new option that says Save to Pinterest. Tap it. Select a board and add a description if you want. Then tap Save. Go check your Pinterest profile to make sure that pin showed up. Customize your preferences. Go back to the Linked Accounts section in Pinterest settings. You can usually turn on or off auto-saving for Instagram posts and stories. If you want everything saved automatically, toggle it on. If you prefer to choose manually, leave it off. If something went wrong, do not panic. Make sure you are logged into the correct Instagram account. Sometimes people have multiple accounts and accidentally try to link the wrong one. Also check your internet connection. A weak signal can stop the linking process. If you get an error, try closing both apps completely and opening them again. Maximize your linked accounts. Once you have them connected, think about your content strategy. When you post something on Instagram, pin it to your most relevant board. Add a keyword-rich description. That helps people find your content through search. And remember, you can link your Instagram profile in your Pinterest bio too. That is it. You went from manually juggling two platforms to seamlessly linking them for automated cross-posting and increased reach. Give it a try with your next post and watch your Pinterest audience grow. Thanks for watching.